So if you were to talk to those people right now that are watching this and they would like to come, but taking the 14th and 15th of May out of the business, it seems like impossible, what would you say to them?
Do it.
Do it.
If you can't take 2 days out of your business without it all falling over, that is the exact reason why you must be at this event.
People encounter it and go, I can't afford to. In fact, I would say that's the symptom. The symptom of that you need help, that you need external ideas and input, is the fact that you don't have sovereignty over your time and you don't have that sort of level of control.
The reason why you can't is the reason why you should. You can't go because you got no time. That's precisely the reason that you want to go. You can't go because you got no money. That's precisely the reason that you want to go.
If I'm going to invest my time into going to something and rescheduling my business and my family, I want to know that I'm going to learn something. It's going to be practical. It's going to be great energy. It's not going to be a fluff fest.
Make a decision. It's going to fundamentally change your business by doing it. So just do it.
You don't know what you don't know.
Your team will not blow it all up if you take 2 days out. I'm so pumped. I can't wait to meet everyone. And I would just say that when you come, not if, when you come, make sure you come and say hi.
Come along and hear what I and others have to say, because there's a world in which you do have that sovereignty, you do have that flexibility, you're making as much or more money, and I really want to share with you how to get there, because it's not magic.
That's why I handpick the right people that I know they're going to be generous with their time and be able to really give so much value. I look forward to see you all there. Thank you. 2 weeks to go. Let's do it.